Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will explore the data types in Go and how they work. So let's dive in. Go support multiple data types and we will each serving the different purpose. Let's start with Boolean data type. There is no depth to it, it's just that what we have seen before. It just stores the true or false values. And with bool keyword, we can declare these only take the values true or false and the default value of the Boolean data type is false. Next, we have is integer data types. So there are quite a few types in integer data types. The two main types are signed integers and unsigned integers. So signed integers can hold both positive and negative values, while unsigned integers can only store the non-negative values. Here are some of the types in integer data type, which is of signed data type, which is int 8, int 16, int 32, and int 64. The difference between them is the range and the size of the variable that it creates. So int 8 means 8 bits, int 16 means 16 bits, and here is the range that you can see that these integer values can store. Floats can be used to unsigned integers can only store the non-negative values as we have spoke before, and here these are the some of the types that we have for those and ranges. So uint is basically a 32-bit for 32-bit system and 64-bit for 64-bit system. And if you want to specify the specific bits, then we can do that using uint 8, uint 16, uint 32, and going on further. So next thing is float data types. Float are used to store the decimal number. Go provide float 32 and float 64 for different level of precision. Next thing we have is string data type. It's simple, there is no depth to it. The string data type is used to store the sequence of character text. String values must be surrounded by the double quotes. So yeah, that's it for this video. Goes allowed to declare multiple data types in single line using var and equal keyword. So yeah, and that's a quick look at good data types. Understanding these fundamental will help you to write the efficient and type safe code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Go tutorial. Let me know in comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy coding. Bye bye.